have with me today Zachary Bond from Balmoral Engineering. Zach, do you mind just running us through what you have here today and sharing with the customers?
I have the new 1M ROTAMARKA model. This is the update to the 1H model.
Okay, and do you mind sharing what the key features are with this latest update?
So one of the key features is that we have updated the 23-degree max angle to 45 degrees now, as well as the increased wind dissipation on the model.
Okay, and what does that, how does that benefit the customer, especially in regards to the angle increase?
So we can now install it on guy wires. So we had a lot of problems with farming equipment striking guy wires, and we want to increase the visibility of them.
Okay, perfect. For somebody that may not be aware of the ROTAMARKA, and or even those that are aware of the ROTAMARKA, are they going to notice any particular differences when they pull it out of the box?
There's no surface differences. There are changes that are under the hood though.
Okay. And what were the reasons for the change? Why did we update the latest model ROTAMARKA?
We want to continuously improve our products and make them safer, and we want to prevent power line strikes.
Okay, perfect. Thanks, Zach, and thanks for your time today.
Thank you.